What's going on, guys? It's Joe and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Episode 3 of this series, going to take you through my day. We have a back workout to do. We have a burger and fry recipe to get to. We have some food to eat, and we have to get shredded. First order of business for the day though, let's go weigh ourselves. So let's see what we're weighing. $172.8. Alrighty, you guys already know how we're starting the day. We're starting the day off with the Quest bar that has been frozen. Oh my god! And we're starting on the day with a little bit of a ram. Starting the day off with some protein and some caffeine. No better way to start the day. And I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back here with meal number 2. That's right, that's Spanish for meal. I know, I cheat in Spanish too. So, what we got going on here is 6 slices of French toast. I mean, can we appreciate the height, the girth, complemented with 55 grams of blueberries. We also have here 100 grams of pineapple as well because, well, we all know what pineapple is good for. And then to top it off with some sugar-free syrup, and we have some fruits and greens in this lovely glass right here. Total calories for the entire day from the Quest bar and the French toast is 1,008 calories. Those that care about macros, we have 84 grams of protein, 144 grams of carbs, 25 grams of fiber, and 13 grams of fat. High protein, high carb, low fat, baby. I am impressed with this stack of French toast right here that this has to go on the gram. But first, let's top it off with some syrup. Sugar-free syrup, one of the best condiments ever. I gotta put this on my story. What should I say? Yeah, on a diet. Go ahead and give this French toast a taste test. You've seen me eat this before. If you haven't, if you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment French toast down below. Superset in some pineapple as well. And then last but not least, to top off this threesome right here, some greens and fruits. But I'm going to eat this meal. Remember, we still have a back workout and a burger and fry recipe later on in the day, so make sure you stick around for that. See you all as the day rolls on. Peace. Come on. What the f—
1 hour later.
Motherfucker. Alrighty, and we are back here with another meal. Burger and fries on a Sunday. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So what we did here, we took 96.4 lean ground beef, season it how you want to. Now, if you want to do this step, you can. But what we took was just yellow mustard. Squeeze a couple tablespoons in the meat before we went ahead and formed our patties. What the mustard does is it keeps a lot of moisture in that patty because 96.4 ground beef is a lot leaner. There's not as much fat, so we will keep some more moisture in there just to have the burger a little bit more juicier. We have a thin whole wheat bun as well as the goat of all cheeses on there. 2 slices of pepper jack cheese. Feel free to use whatever cheese you want. And then we have 315 grams of regular ass russet potatoes. I don't care what potato you use. It doesn't matter as far as what potato you use. I am not a sweet potato individual. I prefer a regular ass russet potato. Sweet potatoes just aren't my style, so I went with these guys. If you like me and you suck at cutting, go out and get one of these. This is what I use to go ahead and make the shape of these fries. You just put the potato on top, you take your little lid here, and then you just go boom, bitch, and you go ahead and make those lovely French fries right there. But let's go ahead and give these fries a little bit of a taste test. Threw these in the air fryer, by the way, for 400 degrees, roughly around 30 to 40 minutes. Oh yeah, that's good. Got a little bit of a crunch to it. Salt, pepper, as well as some garlic powder on there as well. Let's go ahead and superset this burger when I went to go ahead and put this barbecue sauce that I have on there. I spilled some. It's kind of tragic. Oh yeah. Alright, so overall calories for this meal right here, 747 calories. Overall macros for the entire day, 138 grams of protein, 136 grams of carbs, 33 grams of fiber, and 31 grams of fat. The recipe for this guy will be in the description down below, and go ahead and enjoy yourself some healthy fries and burgers, my friends.
Alright, last fry here. Last bite, best bite. Isn't that right, Luca? Easy.
Hey, quiet on set. I'm recording, okay? Rico. Damn it. All right. We are here at the gym. We're going to hit a back workout today. We're going to go ahead and start with some deadlifts. Full back workout will be in the description down below. And let's just get right into it.
Joe, go. You're wasting
You're
clip.
gonna double back.
Go,
double
Joe.
back.
Alright, ready?
No.
Alrighty, we are back here. Final meal of the day, okay? 1 bag of Smart Pop popcorn, 1 protein pizza, really loaded up on the spinach right here because health is wealth, and of course, a Diet Coke because we are on a diet. A rough estimate as far as where our calories ended for the day, 2,370 calories. For our macros for the day, 193 grams of protein, 307 grams of carbs, 45 grams of fiber, and then 50 grams of fat. Overall, not too bad. Again, I am not really caring where my macros are. I know that I'm having plenty of protein, right? One day might be higher in carb than the other. One day might be higher in fat than the other. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter how it makes you feel.
All that we're worried about is making sure we're in a calorie deficit. If you do that, you're going to lose weight, you're going to lose fat, and make sure you're having plenty of protein, and you're pretty much good to go. Go ahead and give this protein pizza a taste test one time. Also, today is Sunday, so the full second week, I believe, of this prep is coming to a close. After this week, I think we're 14 weeks out from our first show on June 19th. And so far, I'm actually feeling pretty good. I think I'm actually ahead of schedule as far as my level of leanness. All I got to try and do is keep up this nice, consistent pace of getting leaner each and every single week to bring the best possible package on stage. I am actually considering is incorporating a second show before June 19th. I'm thinking maybe 2 to 3 weeks before that. If you want to see me not do 1 but 2 shows, go ahead and smash that like button. Besides that, I'm going to wrap the video up here. Thank you for watching episode number 3 of this series. Going to continue to bring you guys awesome recipes and continue not eating chicken and rice while being on prep. You don't have to eat boring, bland foods to get into shape, and I am showcasing that right here on this channel for you. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.